Hey you guys, welcome back. So happy Monday. I am out running around, and if you cannot tell by the thumbnail, I have a Dollar Tree and a 99-cent store haul. Okay, so as I'm out today, I figured I would stop at both stores just to kind of see what I could find since it's Monday, drop the kids off at school, and yeah. So I didn't pick up that much from Dollar Tree, so I'm just going to start with them first. Now, in my last video for Dollar Tree, I have found a really, really pretty picture. You know, sometimes Dollar Tree gets some really pretty pictures, and so this time I went to a different store and they had some more. I did take a picture of a couple, but besides the other one that I picked up, I could not resist getting this one. I thought this was beautiful. It has the flowers all over it. It's really, really pretty, and so I had to pick her up. And then the other one, I was like, honey, yes, there was another one that matched this. I think her face was turned a little bit different. But I just figured I'd just get this one. Look at that. She has a galaxy afro. That is just beautiful, beautiful. So I had to get both of those. Then Dollar Tree had some more socks, as if I needed any more socks. And I'm kind of over the unicorn stuff, but because they're just $1 and I wear them, give them to my daughter, whatever I do with them. Sometimes I give them away. I just picked them up. So this one says, nothing is impossible. And it's just the low cut. And it has the unicorn on it. They did have the higher socks that match that too. But these were the only ones that I got. Then I got these. I thought this was cute. I love the purple and the pastel colors on that one. Here are some of the higher ones that they had. It kind of matches the one I just showed you. It has the little crown. It says shine bright with the wand. And they are just like a two-tone purple. The sun is out, you guys, so excuse the glare. Then I saw this one with the mermaid diving in the water, and it says mermazing. Like that. And these are the higher socks, and the heel is like a really pretty green color. So I just got those socks. Then I don't know if my daughter's gonna like these. I don't know. I picked them up for her, but they had the scrunchy hair bling type things, and this one is just the little diamonds like that, and they're like stickers that you pretty much can like decorate your hair with. So if you have a teen, or even if you want to use them, that would be really cute. And these are the gold stars. I just thought these were cute. I don't know if my daughter is going to like them. Sometimes I pick her up stuff and she'd be like, Mom, I ain't want that. But it's okay. I give them to her anyway. Then they had some more solar lights. I thought this one was really cute. So I picked this one up, the little black cat. And he has the on-off switch. And I just thought it was really cute for Halloween. And the last thing from Dollar Tree, I had got, the last time I went, they had the candy corn, the pie flavor. Those were so good. And this time I see some taffy. So fall selections taffy, and the flavors are salted caramel, pumpkin spice, and caramel apple. So I'm going to give those a try. I'm not going to try those right now just because taffy is kind of, you know, tricky. Get stuck all in your teeth and all that. And I don't feel like messing with it. So now I'm just going to jump into the 99-cent store stuff. Okay, so for the 99-cent store, I'm just going to show this first because it's really big. And I thought this was really, really nice for $5. This was a $5 item. It's by Rare Earth, a company called Rare Earth by Stone Mountain. And it's a bag. Let me see. It says, check out my inner beauty. Fill me up with your stuff. And it just has that tag. But this is a really big bag. You can use this for the gym, from school work. If you're yoga, you can put your stuff in here. And I actually seen on the thing, let me see. Yeah, it has a zipper right here that zips. It doesn't zip all the way around, but right here. And then on the other side, it unzips as well. And so if you have a yoga mat, you can roll it up and stick it through here. And it'll come out the other side. I can't remember where I saw that at. Oh, right here. See how they rolled it and stuck it through there, and then to go through one end and come out the other. And then it just has a ton of pockets. Oh my goodness, right here. Right here, here's another zipper with the nice handle, like pull on it. Up here, the inside has a pocket right there, like for some stuff. Then you can zip it all the way open. Pockets on the back, really nice, really nice. And it has a lot of room on the inside, a lot of stuff, a lot more pockets in there. It's just too big for me to like really show you guys, but it's really cute. And it has a double handle, so you can either carry it like that or you can carry it with this one right here. And so for $5, I was like, honey, yes, I don't need it, but I need it. Another item that I didn't need, but I needed was this tray. It's like a food tray or with a serving tray, whatever you want to use it for. This is cute for decor. I know it has more of a summer theme, but I could not pass it up. I think this will be so cute. I'm actually going to give this to my daughter. So it says it's always summer in my heart, but I just love the graphics and the colors on there. But like I said, it's a $3.99 item. It says serving tray with handles. It does have the handles on the side. And they had some other designs. I took a picture. They were really cute, but however, this was the one that caught my attention. Okay, now moving on to the smaller stuff. They did have some more makeup stuff out, but I only picked up these two items just to give them a try. And they are some blending brushes. This one, it says makeup blending sponge, versatile design. And this one was interesting to me. It says feathered blending, lightweight application, and seamless blending. I've never had one with the lines through it like that. So, and it says new, so I just picked that up to give it a try. These I saw and I said, oh, no, they didn't. So I know in the past, oh, I can't even remember. It must have been it had to be like a month or 2 or 3 months ago. I was telling you guys I was on a hunt for something, right? At Dollar Tree. I was on the hunt, and I never said what I was on the hunt for because I didn't want anybody to send me anything. I like the thrill of the hunt when it comes to these stores, especially Dollar Tree. So I stumbled across this in the 99-cent store. Now, this is one of the items that I had seen a few ladies hauling from Dollar Tree. I don't know if they're the same size. It might have been a little smaller because this is a $1.99 item, but I think the ones from Dollar Tree may have been a little bit smaller. But these were some of the items that I was looking for. And I'm like, when I walked across these in the 99-cent store, I was like, what? So I missed them at Dollar Tree, but however, I did finally find one at this store, and it says Home Sweet Home. And I just think the colors are really pretty. They're vibrant. I just like that. And it is like wood. So, and it just stands like that. And I just thought this was super cute. So I picked it up even though it was $1.99. Got some candy. I always get gummy bears. I never seen these before, so I picked them up. Lemon head twist that look like that. And you get 2 flavors of lemon heads on there. And I see lemon and lime, watermelon and lemon, and cherry and lemon. So I thought those would be fun to try. I always get these, always. This is one of my favorite candies. Okay, and my purpose in going to the 99-cent store is, I've talked about these a couple times in different videos. I literally stock up on these, the $2.99 candles, and the only one that I really like is Georgia Peach. So I've noticed that on the shelves, these are the two. Well, this is the fragrance that's usually really limited. The other ones, they still have a whole lot more. Oh, that's a pretty butterfly. The other 2 fragrances that they have, or 3 fragrances, they always have a ton of them. But the Georgia Peach one is hard to find. So these were the only 2 on the shelf. And I think these smell so good. They smell like peach Jolly Ranchers when you burn them. There's certain candles that are, you know, cheap like this, that they don't have a throw to them, but then you find that one that actually has a throw to them. And so instead of me burning all of my Bath and Body Works candles, when I can find one like this that I really like, I try to stock up on them. So I will actually probably be going to another 99-cent store today to probably look for maybe 3 more just to put in my stash. But I don't know. We'll see how that goes. But then I picked up this, and it's just a container. I like that it has the 4 snaps to close it at the top like that, and it's just a round, really nice bowl. It says BPA free. This is a $1.99 item, but Pooh Bear goes through my strawberries like crazy, so I probably just need to store them. I'm gonna cut them up and store them in here for him, so when he comes in and he wants to go in the refrigerator and snatch out all the strawberries, I'm gonna tell him this is his bowl. He need to go get his strawberry bowl so he can have his strawberries. And that is it. That is it for both my stores. Yeah, but I really like that bag and I really like that tray. So that's it. I didn't see too much in Dollar Tree. Whatever I saw, I took pictures, and I just wanted to come and share with you guys. So if you are new and this is your first time watching, welcome. Thank you for watching. Make sure you stay and hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to stick around. And I will talk to everybody in my next video that will be up really soon. Bye, you guys.